comments. Vamos a ver que son en el chat. Yeah, give thanks for another awesome stream. Big up to everybody watching right now. Big up to everybody who was here last week, last year. I'm gonna be here next year, next week. Happy Sunday, everybody watching me right now. When I come in, drink one another. This is Sunday school. We're giving you greetings at Sunday school. Being serious. You do 7 nuts on each side. You don't have to complete 7 nuts on each side. Representing what? And the color black. Which Orisha has black in it and carries the number 7? No, do not say like that. Black and red and it's the number 3. I want to guess. If somebody say Ogun, you are correct. You said Ogun, you are correct. That means you're watching the videos. That means you're studying. You got all my students.